back with a new video. I normally don't come on with my glasses, but my eyes have been giving me a lot of trouble recently, which is my fault because I slept in them. Not for like a whole night, it was just literally on an airplane, and that was my fault. So I'm gonna have to wear them for this video and just like let my eyes breathe for a minute. They're not red right now, which is good, but I know if I put on contacts, it's gonna irritate it, and I just don't want that right now. So I'm gonna do a makeup look but with glasses on instead. So we're gonna try to do that for this video. I'll show you guys a video or like a TikTok that I did recently of how I used to look back in the day with my glasses and how I hated how they looked. I still hate how they look because the lens is super thick, my vision is really high, or like the prescription's really high. So yeah, the prescription is really high, so I'm just trying to like learn to love them while having to wear them. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a minimal makeup look for today because I am going to the movies, so I don't really have to wear much makeup at all. I just feel like doing something, and also just talking to you guys and catching up and talking about things like YouTube and how it's changed and how I feel like a lot of people are leaving right now, and it's kind of sad. A lot of the drama that's been happening, or just how that's kind of taking over the platform recently. It was more of like a long time coming type of thing because this has been happening for years now. I just feel like right now that's like the center of what people really want to see as far as content goes. So like there have been plenty of times where I could have brought up drama on my channel, but I didn't purposefully because I just know that just brings a lot of negativity, toxicity, and it doesn't last that long. I mean, unless you want it to, of course. But it doesn't do anything for you or for your channel, and it doesn't make anything memorable, or like it doesn't really keep people wanting to watch your content, in my opinion. Maybe that works for some people. Yeah, I don't think that's very long lasting if you're serious about doing YouTube. I don't feel like you should be bringing drama onto your channel or anything. It's just not necessary, especially between like two YouTubers and stuff like that. It's not a necessary thing. And you know, y'all have been seeing the whole like, there's just been lots of channels actually that have been bringing their drama that they've had with other people onto the platform, and that's what's been driving views. Sorry, I also have a lot of acne right now, so I might end up just taking off my face when I go to the movies because I just don't feel like sitting for 2 hours. My face has makeup on it while it's like breaking out. This foundation doesn't even look good with pimples anyway. Like there's certain foundations that look decent with it, others not so much, and this is one of them. I've also been seeing people that I love watching on YouTube that are going to be leaving really soon. They've already expressed also that they feel like the platform has changed so much and it's not fun anymore for them, which I completely agree with in some ways. Like I think people now, they don't even gravitate towards the content that I used to make. Even though I feel like they say they want to see older content from me or like older ideas, people don't necessarily want to watch it. In fact, I feel like people normally these days just want to listen to me talk, and I'm honestly perfectly okay with that because I didn't know that people liked hearing me talk for like 30 minutes to an hour in my videos. Like I didn't think that was a thing. Like what I'm most surprised is that people are watching my vlogs still. Like I get way more views on my vlogs than like doing a hair video or like an outfit try on haul or something, or even just like a strictly makeup video. There has to be something that I'm talking about that people want to actually listen to, and maybe that's also something that's changed with YouTube, which I think is actually more positive than anything else. I do feel like it's lacking in creativity like there was before, and that's something that I'm still kind of getting used to. It's more so like everyone's trying to work smarter and not harder, and working smarter just means having conversations, and a lot of the times it's great because they are important conversations, don't get me wrong, but like as far as the creativity aspect, there are some people that are still thriving with that content, don't get me wrong, but then there are others, I feel like myself, that I feel like I can't really thrive with that as much anymore. Maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I have to tap back into that again one of these days and see how you guys receive it, but until I get to that point again where I feel like I want to do it, I'm gonna just keep on making videos where I just talk while I'm doing something slightly creative or something like that, I guess. Somewhat creative. And maybe you guys will still tune in to watch. This is gonna be a really short makeup video, I feel like. But yeah, what gives me anxiety is just watching other people in drama on a platform, because if I was in drama on YouTube doing a back and forth with someone, I would literally have an anxiety attack. I don't know how people do it. And that's like what's kind of happening with the Gabby Hanna and Jessie Smiles situation right now, which is kind of weird. Like one person, which is obviously Gabby, is like keeping the drama alive, and like Jessie wants to escape that drama, and it's not working, of course, because that one person just wants to, I don't know, ignite something that's entertaining for viewers so that they can get more views on their channel. And like the thing is, I feel like because of their toxicity, there are less people watching their videos, and they feel like they need this drama to have more people stop by and see what's going on. To me, that is just, it has to be draining on both sides. I just feel like one party just doesn't care if it's draining or not. It's like more worth it to them that they're able to get more views rather than anything else, and that's just damaging to everyone involved. My thoughts on it, I would literally just constantly be in fear if I had to deal with stuff like that on the internet. Like I just wouldn't want to do it anymore, and I think that's why a lot of people are leaving right now. Okay, so when I do my makeup with my glasses on, what I usually do is I play up my lips for sure. Like my lips, I just make sure I have a great color on, which I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty and use this with like lip liner, but I usually play up my lips for sure. I'm going in with the MAC pencil. I'm using this up so fast, in Cork. And then I kind of overdraw my lips with the M Cosmetics lip liner in Foxy. Yes, I still have good size lips, but I still like to overdraw them. That's just what I do. I can't really help it or anything. Imagine being on YouTube and you're constantly using your channel as like a source for negativity, for people to just come by and constantly watch that. But I guess some people really do thrive off of the attention regardless if it's good or bad. It could be our fault too, because sometimes we do tune into this stuff. We're interested in the drama that's going on. So like, how do we stop that cycle? Not enough of us are watching more creative content. Now, what I will say though is that vlogs are very calming to me. I've been watching so many people's vlogging channels lately. There's Sunday Love, I watch Rem Life, a few others I just love watching. Cecil is really good. They just have really well put together vlogs that I can just sit and watch for literally 30 minutes. Oh, even Aaliyah's Face. I love watching her vlog channel. It's like so simple and easy to watch. I love watching her lifestyle vlogs. Like I could watch those for literally hours, and so I've been trying to channel that myself, but it's been hard because I just haven't really been doing that much. But I also have to realize sometimes they don't do that much either. They just like vlog their day at home and just doing really simple and mundane things, and that's literally okay. I'd rather watch that content than tune into drama 24/7 on the platform, which I don't know why YouTube bans so many other creators for doing it. Not real, like for doing things that aren't really problematic, but they're literally pushing content out there that is just filled with drama, and it makes no sense to me. I guess it gives them more views or whatever, I don't really know. Not the same anymore. So I really don't blame people for wanting to leave the platform, and I don't know how long the platform is going to live on because of this. Like, I don't really feel like it's necessary for me to really do my eyes, because first of all, my my glasses are so thick that you can barely see my eyes through them. So I just play up everything else, like my brows, my lips. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush also. I'm also super excited because I'm going on a little trip day after tomorrow, and I'm going for a few days. I'm just really excited to go. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance. Is it Black Radiance? I think so. Baked blush, and this is in Brick House. Love this stuff. I'm gonna put on less blush today though, because, well, I'm not going out with this anyway, but if I were to go out with this, I wouldn't put on a lot of blush because it's not really necessary. What else do oh, I'm gonna still put on some highlighter too. I just wanted to open up the conversation, start the dialogue, because it's just, I'm not really having fun looking through my subscriptions anymore. It's not even that like I'm subscribed to drama channels or I'm subscribed to certain things. It's just like people aren't uploading as much anymore right now. And I think everyone's feeling this way. It's not just me. And so yeah, that's what I think. I don't know, but I wanted to just kind of sit down and talk with you guys for a few minutes and like let you know what I'm thinking. I will be vlogging this week. I have to turn in a vlog that's sponsored anyway. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. This is what I would normally do if I'm wearing makeup with no contacts or anything. It's very minimal, and I'm gonna take my face off because I'm already starting to sweat and I've got acne, and I just don't like that right now. So that's it for the video. Hope that you guys liked it. Let me know if you want me to open up any other conversations or talk about stuff. I need more topics to speak on in general because I want to do more makeup videos. I have a ton of PR that I need to go through and just like use for my content. So yeah, let me know. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, it is at Timaloveslemons. I am posting there very frequently, so be sure to go ahead and check me out on there if you haven't. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.